Hi everyone, my name is Abel Greatcat. I'm from Greatest Design Consults. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. You can call me on any of these numbers, okay? I'm excited to actually tell you about the software, this Graitec. I just discovered this software and I find it to be very, very interesting and I thought it well to share with you. Okay, this software is actually very great. Let me close this. Okay, I'm just going to type in something here. I just want to make this brief. Okay, you can type in your address, the city, the number. Okay, you can do all of that. And then, sorry, I'm not gonna do all of this right now. Okay, you can see we have truss structure, bending rigid structure. Okay, let's say grid here, and then here you can see this is actually default material, the strength of your concrete. So I'll leave it at 25/2030. Okay, so I'll leave it at top view. You can see this is interactive, showing us what is going on here. If I switch it to 3D, you can see it will switch to 3D, but let me leave it on grid. So I click on finish. Okay, close this. So you can see this is exactly how the interface looks like. This software is another very great software which I have actually discovered. I think you will love this software. On the next episode, I'm going to be taking you through the software, introducing you to the software itself. Now let's just briefly go through this. You can see portal frame, linear, planar vault, okay, wind walls on sections. Utilities, okay, analysis mode, resolve, document. This software you can as well import your file. Okay, let's try to import a drawing and see what's here. What do I have here? Okay. Okay, let me create a new. Sorry for going through this again. Sorry, dates. Okay. Sorry, it's loading. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Okay. 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 Import tree. Export tree. All right. On the next episode, I will be taking you through the software properly. I'm going to take my time and take you through the entire software itself. Um, but if you love what you're seeing, make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like these on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Amazing, right? Uh, you can come learn designs with us, where we teach how to actually come about your design using 25 different softwares that cover civil engineering, structural aspect of civil, uh, structural designs and the detailing, highway designs, water designs, and then it covers architectural working drawings. We cover both 2D drawings and 3D drawings, cover mechanical and electrical service drawings as well. Okay, so all of that are very much available on our YouTube channel. Just go down below the description of this video, you'll find a link to that channel. Make sure you visit the channel and keep yourself busy, and make sure you subscribe. You see a red button down below, just click on that red button written subscribe, and you have subscribed already.